Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Words for Wonder. In today's video, we are going to learn mispronounced words and how to say them correctly. Okay, let's begin. The first word on our list is Wednesday. Yes, this word is pronounced as Wednesday. Remember that the letter T is silent. So the correct pronunciation is Wednesday. It's often mispronounced as Wednesday. Next on our list is video. Yes, it's the correct pronunciation, video. It's often mispronounced as video. There's not no E sound, but E sound. It's shorter in duration. It's called video, often mispronounced as video. Next up, we have buffalo. Buffalo is an animal. In Hindi, it's known as bhais. Its correct pronunciation is buffalo. The word buffalo is often mispronounced as buffalo. Right? The correct way to say it, buffalo. Next on our list is vowel. Yes, this is how it is pronounced. In Hindi, it's called swar. Correct pronunciation is vowel, just like towel. If you are unable to pronounce it correctly, just remember the word cow. This is how it is pronounced, vowel, vowel. It is often mispronounced as vowel. Correct pronunciation is vowel. Now let's carefully compare letter and latter. These two words are quite similar, but there is an important difference. First, we have letter. Letter is patra, a written message, or akshar, an alphabet character. So this word has short a sound, as in bet, let, met. The correct way to pronounce this word is letter. Letter. Next we have latter. It refers to the second of two things mentioned. So the A is pronounced as a, as in cat, mat, bat. So the correct way to pronounce this word is latter, not letter. So letter is चिट्ठी, पत्र या अक्षर, and latter is दूसरा. Next word is resume. Yes, this is the correct pronunciation, resume. It is often mispronounced as resume. Resume is a different word which means to continue something after a brief pause. Yes, so that's a different word. Do not confuse these two terms. Resume. Resume is a short summary of person's qualifications and work experience. The next word on our list is berry. Yes, it's pronounced as berry. It's often mispronounced as bury. Bury is the wrong pronunciation. The correct pronunciation is berry. Great. Let's move on to the next word. The next word is adjective. In Hindi, it's called visheshan. The correct pronunciation is adjective. The letter D is silent, so it's pronounced as adjective. Its common mispronunciation is adjective. Next word, chicanery. It's often mispronounced as chicanery. Its meaning is छल या धोखा देना. The correct pronunciation is chicanery. The next word is entrepreneur. In British English, it's called entrepreneur. In American English, it's called entrepreneur with a sound. The word entrepreneur is often mispronounced as entrepreneur. Next on our list is mischievous, which means shararati in Hindi. The word has only 3 syllables, not 4. So it's mischievous, mischievous, not mischievous. Let's move on to the next word. It's comfortable. Again, in this word we have 3 syllables, not 4. It's pronounced as comfortable, not comfortable. There is no O sound. It's comfortable. Now let's move on to the word cereal. Cereal means anaj. The correct pronunciation is cereal. It's often mispronounced as cereal. The correct pronunciation is cereal. Now let's look at the word vase. It's fooldan in Hindi. In British English, it's pronounced as vase. In American English, it's pronounced as vase or vase. Now let's discuss the word niche. It has 2 pronunciations. Both are correct. The first is niche and the second one is niche. But this word is often mispronounced as niche. Its meaning is a specialized segment. In Hindi, it can be translated to Vishesh Kshetra. Now let's move on to the word advertisement. In British English, it's called advertisement, whereas in American English, it's pronounced as advertisement. Hindi translation is Vigyapan. Next, let's clarify the word epitome. Epitome is the perfect example of something. In Hindi, it can be translated as Adarsh Udaharan. So the correct pronunciation is epitome. It's often mispronounced as epitome or epitome. Up next we have yacht. In British English, it's pronounced as yacht. In American English, it's pronounced as yacht. Its meaning is a luxurious boat. It's often mispronounced as yacht. The next word is exaggeration. Yes, it's difficult to pronounce. Let's pronounce it slowly. Exaggeration. Exaggeration. The stress falls on ration. Exaggeration. It's often mispronounced as exaggeration. Next we have the word hyperbole. Hyperbole is similar to exaggeration, ati katni. The correct pronunciation is hyperbole. In mathematics, there is another similar sounding term. It's called hyperbola and it ends with the letter A. It's pronounced as hyperbola. It's a kind of curve, but in literature, it's called hyperbole. It ends with the letter E. Hyperbole. Now let's cover the word sweet. Sweet is kaksh in Hindi. The correct pronunciation is sweet. It rhymes with the word treat. It's often mispronounced as suit. So the correct pronunciation is sweet. Let's move on to the word accessory. It's pronounced as accessory. The stress falls on the second syllable, ses. Accessory. It's often mispronounced as accessory. Up next we have asthma or asthma. In British English, it's pronounced as asthma. In American English, it's pronounced as asthma. And its meaning is dama in Hindi. This word is often mispronounced as asthma. Next, we have some food items that are often mispronounced. The first word is jalapeno. Yes, it is pronounced as jalapeno. It is a green chili pepper. It's basically used in Mexican cuisine. It is often mispronounced as jalapeno, or something like that. The correct pronunciation is jalapeno. The next word is mocha. Mocha is a fine quality coffee. It is often mispronounced as mocha or mocha, something like that. The correct pronunciation is mocha, or in American English it's called mocha. And finally we have mojito. Mojito is a cocktail drink and it's often mispronounced as mojito. So the next time you go to a restaurant and order a mojito, don't call it mojito. Thank you. That's all for today. I hope you have learned something new today. If you like my content, please feel free to like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.